Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Bubble Buzz game. So let's get started right away. If you log out from the Bubble Buzz game from within inside, you might find that your login information is still being saved. So in order to prevent this, open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. From the application page, simply search for Bubble Buzz. And when you find the game, you can simply tap on it to open up the app info page. Now from here you can tap on the forced stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the game. After the game is stopped, you can tap on the storage option from the usage menu, and then from the storage page tap on the clear data button at the bottom left corner. Then tap on the delete option, and this will remove all of the user data from the Bubble Buzz game. Now you can go back and open up the game, and you will see that your account that you have used previously has been logged out, and you will be asked to log in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Bubble Buzz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.